Joseph.
It's a face.
Wait. Hey, Jason. Jason.
Jason.
Say hi. Say hi. Joseph.
Hi, Joseph. No.
He's just so funny. Oh.
Sometimes to go over your head.
So, how's Alhambra High School? I haven't seen you in like a month.
Oh crap.
Burrito.
Dick.
Oh, so yeah, you're a really good friend. We should hang out. Go to Knott's.
I wanna go to Knott's.
Suck my dick.
Okay.
You should text me.
I'm sorry.
Pagina.
Oh crap, that's disgusting. Let's not show that.
That was a fail. Well, bye.